Hey everyone, Brian Dunning here. You probably know me best as the host of Skeptoid, and I'm also the executive director of Skeptoid Media, a 501c3 educational nonprofit. Our job here is to tell the stories that best represent scientific skepticism and critical thinking. And because we're a publicly owned charitable org, we're able to be mission driven rather than profit driven. This means we're not under pressure to be commercial by talking about just whatever's popular. We're able to tell it straight, so you won't get any ancient aliens on Skeptoid unless it's within the context of how we're able to tell for a fact that that stuff isn't true, and ideally to learn the true explanations of the fictions so many other shows promote as fact. For the thinking brain, real facts and the processes we use to find them are always more interesting than the fiction. That's why you listen, and it's why our supporters support us. So I'm here today to let you know how we did in 2025 and what we've got cooking for 2026. First of all, obviously, is the podcast Skeptoid, another 52 episodes in 2025, 12 of which were guest hosted. The reason being that I moved in 2025 and had some other life changes, and while that didn't have enough hours in the day. This ended up dovetailing into something our board of directors has been pressing me on for a while, and that's what would happen if I get hit by a bus. Skeptoid needs a succession plan, so the whole company's not completely dependent on just me. So we went back to our guest hosts and picked the one you liked the best, and that was Ashley Hamer Pritchard. We've worked with Ashley a lot before here at Skeptoid, including on our new proposed series for NPR called Well Actually. So for 2026, Ashley is going to be taking one episode a month, starting now. Keep an ear open for her episodes. They're great, and they're a new spice on the same familiar Skeptoid you know and love. I'll be executive producing, and we'll still be doing the lion's share of episodes. But the extra time is going to very good use, though. I'm already halfway through pre-production on our next feature documentary film, which we're going to start shooting in probably Q2, Q1 if we get really lucky. I'm not going to tell you what it's about right now. We will be launching a crowdfunding campaign soon, and you'll find out then. I can tell you it's going to go straight to the streaming services like our other two most recent films have, and it'll have about a 90 to 100 minute runtime. Make sure you're on the list to be notified. You can sign up in the members portal on Skeptoid.com, or you can go to the website for our last film, the UFO movie, and sign up right there on the home page. Next on our list is more Skeptoid adventures. These are our adventure expeditions that we run. We've done 3 of them so far, and they serve 3 purposes. First, they're a way for me to get to spend a lot of time in person with a lot of you. Second, they're very much a part of our programming. We always include a mini skeptic conference whenever it's practical, and we include whatever skeptical lessons and stories there are from wherever we're going. Third, these are really important fundraisers for us. We are almost completely member supported. We have a very busy staff, all of whom need to eat, and the Skeptoid Adventures are probably the most fun you can have supporting us and making this programming possible. The next Skeptoid adventure is a week aboard the world's largest full-rigged ship, the SV Royal Clipper. In April 2026, we're journeying to islands and ports in Spain and France, and everywhere we go, we'll have a little skeptical side quest for you. Aboard this ship, you can also help sail it. You can climb the ratlines and help set the sails. You can sit in the crow's nest. You can even go up to the helm and take the wheel. We're also going to do some celestial navigation at night, and luckily, this comes right at the peak of the Lyrid meteor shower. This ship always sells out. One of our 4 classes of cabins are already gone. So if you want to have a true bucket list adventure and support Skeptoid at the same time, reserve your spot right now, or I guarantee you will miss out. Come to skeptoid.com/adventures and click on Malaga to Nice 2026. Finally, one more thing. You may not know it, but Skeptoid is already delivered in 3 ways. First is the podcast, which you're probably already familiar with. In Europe, Asia and certain international routes, you can find Skeptoid on your airline or train entertainment system. We're also on the radio. A few public stations carry the Skeptoid Radio Hour, which is formatted for hour-long shows, and some others carry the Skeptoid Files, a 30-minute version. Both are engineered to radio specs and formatted with ad breaks and everything the radio stations need. If your local station doesn't carry one of these already, tell them to. Go to their website and ask them to carry Skeptoid. They can get it on PRX, the Public Radio Exchange, and it is currently free to stations. Why? Because we can. And we can because we're member-supported. Thanks to you and your fellow Skeptoid subscribers paying for the premium version, coming on our Skeptoid adventures, and making private grants to us. All these donations are tax-deductible for U.S. taxpayers, subject to all the usual IRS stuff that your tax advisor can help you with. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for supporting Skeptoid in 2025. Let's make 2026 even better. And in the meantime, remember to always be skeptical. I'm Brian Dunning from Skeptoid Media. Thank you so much.